In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp with QuickBooks online. Before we jump in, make sure you can sign into both accounts and that you have the right permissions, ideally an admin role in QuickBooks Online. Using a desktop browser with pop-ups allowed will make the process smoother. Start by opening your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. This helps ensure the connection applies to the right audience and settings. Next, navigate to Integrations. You'll usually find this in the main navigation or settings area. The Integrations section is your hub for connecting Mailchimp to other tools. It lists popular apps and also gives you a way to search for specific services. On the Integrations page, click Connect Apps and Integrations. This takes you into the connection catalog where Mailchimp showcases officially supported apps and partner add-ons. It's the safest place to initiate a new connection because it uses the built-in authentication flow. Now use the search bar and type QuickBooks. Be precise with the spelling so the right option appears. You may see multiple QuickBooks listings, but we're aiming for the online cloud-based version, not a desktop variant. When you see QuickBooks Online, select it. Open the apps page to confirm you've got the official connector. Review the brief description to understand what the integration can do, like syncing customer information or enabling targeted campaigns based on your accounting data. If you manage multiple regions or companies, just make a mental note of which QuickBooks company you plan to link in the next step. Click Connect or Install. Mailchimp will guide you through a secure authorization process. If you notice nothing happens, check for a blocked pop-up or try temporarily disabling strict tracker blocking for this site. The connection relies on a standard OAuth window, so it needs permission to open. You'll be prompted to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your credentials and, if you have access to multiple companies, choose the specific company you want to connect. Carefully review the permissions requested, then confirm to authorize. This approval allows Mailchimp and QuickBooks Online to communicate securely without sharing your password directly. After you finish, you should see a confirmation message or a connected status back in Mailchimp. If something doesn't look right, refresh the page and verify you're signed into the correct accounts. That's it. By opening Mailchimp, going to Integrations, clicking Connect Apps and Integrations, searching for QuickBooks, selecting QuickBooks Online, choosing Connect or Install, and logging in, you've completed the connection.